Dear students, today we are discussing about a system call. A system call is the mechanism by which a user program requests a service from the operating system kernel. Since user programs cannot directly access hardware or privileged resources, they use system calls to ask the operating system to perform operations on their behalf. User applications request the operating system through a system call. Then operating system will provide the hardware and any other kind of resources to the user application to perform the task. Why are system calls needed? System calls provide controlled access to the system resources such as files and directories, memory, processors, devices like keyboard, disk, printer, and network communication. How system calls work? A user program invokes a system call. Then the CPU switches from user mode to the kernel mode. The operating system executes the requested service. Then the CPU switches back to the user mode and return the result to the program. Common types of system calls. Under that, first one, process control. The system calls are used to create and terminate the processes, load and execute the programs. Example for process control are fork, execute, exit, wait. Second one, file management. System calls under file management used to create, open, read, write and close the files. So example, open, read, write, close. The system calls under device management are used to request or release the devices and read from or write to the devices. System calls under memory management used to allocate and deallocate the memory. Example, mmap, break. The system calls under information maintenance are used to get or set the system information such as time, date. Example, get pin, time, uname. The system calls under communication are used to exchange data between the processes. Example, pipe, socket, send, receive. The advantages of system calls. System calls provide security access to hardware and protect the operating system from faulty programs. It offers a standard interface for application development. It simplifies resource management.